Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to start with the purchase info record. This topic comes under the master data. So in purchase info record we actually store the data about vendor and material combination. So vendor and material, remember this. So we store the information about the vendor as well as material. So we have created the vendors in the previous videos as well as the materials. So we have to use it and we need to maintain the information. What kind of information is maintained in the purchase info record is you can maintain the current and future prices, conditions such as discount, freight, gross price, etc. You can also do the scaling of the prices. Suppose if the quantity is up to 100, you can have this much specific price, and if it is more than 100 to 2 or 100, in between 100 to 200, then the price is reduced by some amount. So like that you can maintain. That's called scaling. Next, you can also have a delivery data. So when you are going to plan the delivery time, what is the tolerance, and then vendor data. Then you can also maintain the texts in the purchase info record. Remember, this purchase info record is very important because this will help you in picking up the information during the creation of purchase order. The purchase info record can be created manually and as well as automatically. You can create the purchase info record automatically through the POs and outline agreement. Then there is a quotation, request for quotation, that is called as RFQs. So you can create the purchase info record automatically. Now we will show you how to create the purchase info record manually. So first step is the T code for the purchase info record is you type ME11 and press enter. You will see create info record initial screen. It is asking you to enter the vendor and material, later on purchase or and plant. Then info category, which type of category this purchase info record falls. It is initially we keep it as standard. Then we'll see subcontracting, pipeline, consignment whenever we see the procurement videos. So vendor, just we have created 3 vendors. If you see, if you want to search the vendors, you can search it by using this window. Company code, so the company code is ABCS. Hit enter and you will see these are the vendors. So I am going to actually use this vendor Ben-101. Okay, then material. So we have created one raw material in the previous video. So if you want to again check it, you can also check or you can also find it using the class, or you can also use a material number, material description, or if you have any details about it, you can also search through this. So I'm going to search it through material by material type. So the material type we created for our raw material was AOH, right? And just hit enter, it will give you that we created this material. This is the number. The material description is bricks. So just select this. Purchase organization. So initially when we created the organizing structure, we created the purchase organization, and I have told you that you have to please create the mock, or you can say the dummy purchase organization initially, so that it will be helpful for us to run the transactions. So purchase organization is ABPO, which we have created, and the plant is for ABC1. Then there is no need to enter this because this is the initial purchase info record created now. So just enter. Now you will see you have this info record, vendor, and material group. Everything is copied because of the material name, everything. And the vendor data, you can see when we are creating the vendor master record, so we entered the reminder, so it's immediately copied into this purchase info record. Country of origin is IN, region is 13. So these are the data. Now if you hit enter again, it will go to the next, that is a window, that is purchase organized data one. So under this, how much is the planned delivery time? So you can make it 2 days or 3 days. Okay. And then purchase group is automatically copied is ABP. How much is the standard quantity? So it is mandatory, so I'll make it 100 each. If you want to enter minimum quantity, it is optional. If you enter 50, then you can't purchase any this material when the quantity is less than 50. Then you have remaining shelf life. For this material there is no such information, shipping instructions, maximum. So we will keep this as it is. GR based IV means it is goods receipt based invoice verification. So we can check here or uncheck here. So this is picked up from the data, which master data which we have created. Acknowledgement required, you just keep it. Tax code, right now we will not maintain now, so we'll see the tax code procedure in the upcoming videos. Then conditions, you can see net price, so how much is for one each of this material for the break. I'll type 100. Okay. And you can see other terms, Incoterms also. Here also you can maintain. So basically what will happen is, when you are creating the PO, this data will be accumulated there and there is no need to enter much information, so it reduces the data entry in the PO creation. Now here you can see we have entered this data, so let us hit enter, and it will show the other informations like this. Then just hit enter. Then there is a text here, you have the info memo and you have the purchase order text. So you can see this purchase order text which we entered in the previous material master data, it is copied here. So here it comes, this is for the info menu. This will not be printed in the purchase order. So now everything is fine, just press enter and you can see save the data of current info record, press S. Now you can see the purchase info record is created. Suppose if you want to do any changes, so you have to type the command called as me1 c change info record. So again you fill the data, enter. Now suppose if I want to do the changes in the conditions, so just press enter. See net price, here you keep the cursor and you can click on the condition. You will see the condition is valid from which date, so it's today is 24 and it is valid up to say 31/12/999. It is for like infinite, so we can change it to finite years. So if you want you can choose this, or if you want you can click new validity period. So let me choose this. So now you can see valid from 24/0/2023. So what I will do is I will maintain the validity up to 2024. It will ask say yes. Now the gross price is 100 for each. Now if you want to have other conditions such as freight, you can just click here and enter the freight value in terms of value, or if you want in terms of percentage. So if I keep value, hit enter, so the freight I'm going to take 10. So like this you can enter the discount, etc, etc. It will automatically put the data when you are creating the purchase order. Now suppose if you want to do scaling of the gross price, so if you select this, there's an option called as scales. So here you can see scale type from. So if it is from 50 each, it is 100. Okay, if it is 100 quantities or 100 each, then I am going to reduce the price by 96. If it is from 200, I am going to make it 92. If the quantity is 300, we will make it 90. So if you are creating PO and if you are entering 100 quantities or 102, 103, price will be 96. So like this you can do the scaling. You just save this. So like this you can just play around with the purchase info record and maintain the different condition, text, vendor conditions, etc, etc. Now if you want to see the different types of or you can say the list of purchase info record maintained by you, so we can also see that. So the T code or the transaction code is ME1L in case of if you want to filter the PO in terms of vendor. Now you can see vendor 101, purchase organization is ABPO. So just hit this execute. Now you'll see this is the info record just now we created. You can see the material number which we created. Description or short text is break, and the info record is 3540567039. This is number of info record, conditions, etc, etc. And if you want to do the price simulation, that also you can do. Just select this and do the price simulation. Okay, here you can include the cash discount, delivery cost, effective price. Then if suppose if I enter 51, what will be the price? So price is going to be 97.20 INR. This is after doing the discount everything. Suppose if I want to change it, I don't want any discount and delivery cost, and if I want 120 quantities, now you can see 96. Next, if you want 200, 92. So the condition which I have maintained is working. So this is how you can check the price simulation also. So you can see this simulation, etc. So go back. This is as per the vendor. If you want to see as per the material, you type ME1M. Now this will actually show the info record by entering the material and just execute. It will show you the material in purchase info record for the material. So this is how you can actually play with this purchase info record and check the price simulation whether working or not. So this is what the purchase info record does. So that's all in this video. I hope you are enjoying the purchase info record video, and I hope you will definitely practice this, which is very important concept. Before saying bye, just I want to request you to please like, comment, share and hit the bell icon to get the videos, latest videos, as well as subscribe to my channel to motivate me. Thank you guys.